Hello, it's Tom with Symbol Surfing. Welcome back to the channel. Want to go over three semiconductor stocks that will benefit from 5G, and here they are: NVDA, Qualcomm, and Skyworks. So I've just got them listed down here by market cap, high to low, and I want to get right into this. So the market cap of NVIDIA is 330 billion. The next one, Qualcomm's at 152 billion, which is about half the size of NVIDIA. And then we have Skyworks, which is only 30 billion, which is only 30 billion. That's still huge, but in relation to the others, it's much smaller, which could mean it has much more room to grow, perhaps. So let's look at this a little bit closer. On the 1 year chart, NVIDIA had this nice run here, this nice clean run here. The price broke out above the 50-day moving average here around 275 and just went into this earnings date and the next earnings date, and then spiked right here, which would have been a good time to sell. Of course, if you're using the moving averages, you would have just held on and maybe sold somewhere around 500. So on Symbol Surfing, we try to make it real easy to identify these types of trades. And as you can see, if you're using the 50-day moving average, it's a clear buy signal right here and a clear sell signal here. So this would have been if you had about $275 invested, let's say, for one share. Within 6 months, you would have sold at 525. So 275 to 525. That's a nice trade. And let's look at the next one on Qualcomm. This is another really nice long trend, and in this situation there's what's called a crossover, where the 50-day moving average crossed up through the 200-day moving average, which is a very bullish sign. And on top of that, so that happened around, let's say, $90 a share. And then going to this earnings, these white lines are earnings dates, and as you know, the earnings dates are very important. They happen every 3 months, and it's where the company reports their financial performance. So there can be a big price moves up or down, but in Qualcomm's case, it jumped. Looks like maybe $15 on this one, but it went along here for another 3 months above the moving average. And then on the next earnings, it jumped again, maybe $20 or so. And then it kept staying above the moving average. And then finally on this earnings, it broke through this moving average. So this is another nice setup and trend that I'm hoping is easy to identify. And maybe if you're using Symbol Surfing, you'll be able to see these types of trends. And they happen very frequently. It's just once you know what to look for, this crossover, and just monitor the earnings. And these aren't like day trades where you have to babysit the trade and stay in front of your computer for hours on end. It's just kind of check the price once or twice a day from your phone or your computer. So that's, but let's go on to the next one. And Skyworks, so you probably are jumping ahead of me here, but you have a moving average crossover here, like around $100 a share, and then the price stayed above until it crossed through, like, looks like around 135, let's say. So that's another nice kind of short-term trade, and these are all really well-positioned companies in 5G. And so what's also interesting, I want to point out, is all of these are triple digit gainers for the year, last 12 months. NVIDIA's up 139%, Qualcomm's up 100%, and Skyworks is up 126%. So I want to leave it up to you guys. What do you think? What's the best one to get in on? Please let me know in the comments. And if you like videos like this, please like this video and subscribe for more detailed information like this. We just believe that, investing and trading can be simplified. So if this video has been helpful, please subscribe. And thanks again for watching.